Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete TikTok link from Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Facebook app, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my menu at the below right corner, and what I'm gonna see here, you're gonna see multiple options. Just click on your profile at the top left, all right, under the menu, I think. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here multiple options. Just go ahead and click edit profile, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just, before I do anything, just double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. If it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find the links. Click on edit right here, and what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here a link similar to Spotify link, which is TikTok, Instagram, or any other else, or any other website or social media. And after you add the link and click the platform right here, you're gonna see right here TikTok, right? And after you add your username and everything, you're gonna see something like Spotify. And if you want to remove it, just click right here, remove, and click save at the top right. And now you finish deleting that platform from your Facebook. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.